ज़िंदगी आसान नहीं, बस खुद को मजबूत बनाना पड़ता है। कि ज़िंदगी आसान नहीं, बस खुद को मजबूत बनाना पड़ता है। सही समय आता नहीं, इसको लाना पड़ता है। Hello my dear friends and family, hope you are all very well and learning English in a great way. I am Shibam from UP and this is day 22 of tutifuti to dangerous English. And today I am going to share with you 50 basic to advanced daily use sentences. So please repeat with me for learning. So let's learn together. It is hot. It's scorching. I understand. I get it. I don't know. I have no idea. This is easy. This is a piece of cake. I made a mistake. I messed up. I am busy now. I am tied up right now. Calm down. Take it easy. Don't worry. No need to stress. Listen to me. Hear me out. I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. I am scared. I am freaked out. I am shocked. I am stunned. I am angry. I am pissed off. I am bored. I am fed up. It is very good. It's awesome. I will think. I will give it some thought. Maybe later. Perhaps another time. I am trying. I am making an effort. I am tired. I am exhausted. I am hungry. I am starving. Sit here. Have a seat. She is very beautiful. She is stunning. It's very cold today. It's freezing today. He is very angry. He is furious. He is rich. He is wealthy. Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. It's not so difficult. It's not rocket science. Leave me alone. Give me a break. How are you? How is it going? Keep it a secret. Keep it under wraps. I am a bit busy. I am a bit tied up. Are you mad? Are you out of mind? Stop wasting time. Stop faffing around. I wake up early. I rise with the dawn each morning. I go for a walk. I take a leisurely stroll. I cook dinner. I prepare a delicious meal. I drink coffee. I savor a cup of tea. I wash my clothes. I launder my garments. I clean the house. I meticulously tidy up the house. I talk to my friend. I engage conversation with my friend. The flower is pretty. The blossom is beautiful. It's dark. It's pitch black. It's urgent. It's pressing. I brush my teeth. I diligently clean my teeth. She is angry. She is furious. They are late. They are delayed. I am very happy. I am over the moon. The road is long. The road is endless. I am sleepy. I am drowsy. The house is old. The house is ancient.